Hi, today we are going to see about mobile satellite communication. A satellite telephone is a type of mobile phone that connects to orbiting satellites instead of terrestrial cell sites. Functionality like voice, SMS, and low bandwidth internet access are supported through most systems. How does the communication take place in mobile satellite communications? There are there can be many types of mobile satellite communication. That can be satellite phone to cellular phone, or there can be satellite phone to satellite phone communication. In satellite phone to cellular phone communication, the caller enters the number she wishes to dial and press the send key. The phone then do some processing and eventually find the nearest orbiting satellite and sends the call information to it. The point to which the satellite relays the call to the nearest ground receiver is the gateway. The gateway do the work to patch calls through. If a call to India originates in America, the gateway won't be able to patch the call through the existing phone network. Then the gateway will transmit the call to the nearmost satellite, which will help to pass the call along till it reaches one that can help linking to the receiver. It depends on the location of the caller and the receiver that how many times it may happen. The call comes from the satellite and is received by receiver's network. The format of the call has to be manipulated so that it may be received on a standard phone or cell phone. Once the received call is converted and the connection is established, the call is said to be connected. The same goes in reverse when someone is calling a satellite phone from a cellular phone or landline. Calls are transferred to one of the Globestar gateways, then the gateway sends the call up to a relay satellite, then back down to the Globestar satellite phone user. Globestar call this their bent pipe technology. In satellite phone to any other satellite phone technique, the service to service is dependent. For example, in Globestar service, call from a Globestar phone to a Globestar phone within the same footprint of the servicing gateway goes up from the Globestar phone to the satellite, then down to the gateway where it is then sent back to a Globestar satellite, then relayed down to the receiving Globestar phone. In this scenario, the public telephone system is never utilized. If a call from a Globestar phone goes to another Globestar phone, outside the footprint of the originating gateway it works. The call firstly goes up to the satellite and then goes down to the servicing gateway, then is transferred by the public telephone system or T1 line if the public telephone system is disturbed to the gateway serviced by the receiving Globestar phone. This case, even if the public telephone system is disrupted, the Globestar satellite service is still up and running. The advantages of mobile satellite communications are the designing of satellite to satellite communication links with great precision can be done because the conditions between communicating satellites are more time invariant than those between two terrestrial wireless antennas. Within the satellite's area of coverage, transmission cost is not dependent on distance. In terrestrial wireless system, more cost will be incurred to cover as much area as satellite does. Broadcasting and point-to-point communication are important applications of it. The transmission quality is generally high in satellite communication than terrestrial, although satellite links are subject to short-term outage or degradation. Also, without using relay with high capacity is capable of transmitting signal long distance. Point to multi-point installation of satellite circuits are some of the advantages of mobile satellite communication. Long signal delay, maintaining and repairing after launching of satellite is difficult are some of the limitations of mobile satellite communication. The future scope of a mobile satellite communication is lightweight and cheaper satellites are being made, smaller and cheaper mobile terminals are being made. New techniques to reduce propagation delays are being found. Inventions are leading to an era of publicly using it. So these are the topics we see in this mobile satellite communication. In this video we saw about the mobile satellite communication, its advantages, limitations and future scope. Thank you.